This is a 2015 Subaru Forester. This car has a bulb burned out in the tail light. It's this top bulb right here. It's a dual filament bulb. It's for the running lights at night and the brake lights. In this video, we're going to replace this bulb. I'm going to show you how. Looking from the inside of the car, there is no way to access the bulb. There is no access hatch or opening. This means that to replace the bulb, we must remove this entire taillight assembly, and we do that by undoing these two bolts right here, top and bottom. So let's do that. They are 10mm bolts. The two bolts are out. Here they are. Now all that's left is to pull kind of firmly and jiggle this taillight assembly. It has kind of a little clip in the front here that will loosen up. It does help to insert a plastic tool, trim tool like this right here, and push back, and here you can see this clip that I was talking about, and the tail light fits right onto this clip. And here's a view of the mounting point that fits around that plastic clip. Now the bulb that I want is this one right up here, and we just twist this and it comes right out. So it's pretty clear from the discoloration on this bulb that it's burned out. All we have to do is replace it. It pulls right out of this socket. Here's a better view of the bulb. As I said, it is a dual filament bulb. Now on a lot of these, they will have little tiny numbers that tell you what the bulb is, but this one does not have them. That does not matter because I'm going to identify this bulb for you. The model number is BP7443-N. BP7443-N. And you can get these pretty much anywhere. Make sure that you press it in firmly so it clicks. Then you just twist the socket back into the housing. Then you line up that mounting slot with the clip and you just push it forward. And there, that was not so bad. It's all back in place, and now we have a working brake light. I hope that you enjoyed this video. The tools I used were a 10mm socket with a ratchet wrench and a plastic pry tool, and of course this is the bulb. You'll find links to these items in the video description. Thank you for watching.